Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is A Cultural Show in School. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and comprehension of this unit. And before this, in English for grade 2, we have already practiced how to locate text. Okay, so today we are going to extend the practice to interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information, to answer simple short questions in a word or two. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13, O mankind, indeed, we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse tells us, beta, we all are same, we all are equal because we all are children of Hazrat Adam and Amma Hawa, right? They are our parents, and we all human beings. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, oh mankind, you all are same. And we have divided you in tribes so that you can understand, you can recognize each other. Just it is an identity, okay? We should not be proud of anything like we are this and we are that. We all are human beings, and Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us same. This is the message of this verse. Okay, so today we are going to know about cultures. So cultures, basically, beta, they give us an identity. That's it. Okay, so you tell me, what is a cultural show? And did you participate in any cultural show in your school? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered and you have shared your experience. Very good. Now let's start reading. It's our reading time. First, I'll read it. You will listen carefully because after me, you will read it. Okay? So I'm going to start it from the very first line over here. All of you point out. Let's read it. Today, Farhan woke up earlier than usual. Earlier means the time at what he wakes up daily. Today he woke up before that. There was a cultural show in his school. He was pleased and excited about it. Means he was pleased and excited. He was very happy about it. Farhan had been preparing for the last few days. He went to school in his beautiful Pakhtun traditional dress. And what does traditional means? It means habitual practice. Because wherever we live, in every area, there is a traditional, like the way we usually dress up, that is the traditional dressing, okay? So what he was wearing Pakhtun traditional dress. You can see in the picture what he was wearing, okay? Because he had to participate in a cultural dress show. Means he has taken, participate means he has taken part in cultural dress show. Farhan's elder and younger sisters accompanied him. And what does accompany mean? They were with him, they joined him. The stage in the school was fully decorated. There were different stalls of traditional foods of all 4 provinces of Pakistan. And here is written, accompany, go somewhere with someone. Okay, and who was accompanied by Farhan? His elder and younger sister. And the stage was fully decorated, and there were different stalls of traditional foods, means the foods which are eaten, which are famous, which are common in all the 4 provinces of Pakistan. Parents of students were also invited to this event. Means the students who were studying in that school, their parents were also invited. The honorable chief guest was also there, and he visited each stall with the principal. He appreciated, and what does appreciated means? He encouraged, he liked, he said good job. He appreciated the efforts of the students. Then the dress show activity started, and all the little students looked beautiful. They walked on the stage and showed their dresses. Oh, it sounds so nice. Everyone cheered up and clapped for them. Means everyone clapped and cheered up. It means everyone liked their show, right? So I'm stopping my reading here. Rest of the unit we'll read tomorrow. So it's your time. Are you ready for that? Pause the video, read these paragraphs, and then come back. Are you done with it? Good job. Now I'm giving you a very interesting activity, and what we are going to do. Teacher will ask short questions and students will answer in a word or so. This is the rule, okay? What type of question, teachers? I have given a few questions. You can follow the same and you can make your own list of questions. But for students, the rule is you have to answer in 1 or 2 words, right? And these quick questions can be, was Farhan excited? Yes. What was the event? Cultural show. Who accompanied Farhan? Etc., etc., right? Are you clear with the rules of the activity? Okay, so pause the video, and my dear children, every one of you will participate, right? Pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time to practice. Here are questions from your comprehension. These 2 questions we'll answer today, and how we are supposed to do it. First, teacher will ask these questions, you will raise your hand, you will tell the answer, and teacher kindly keep correcting the students wherever they need. And once they are done with this activity orally, then they will write the answers in their notebook, right? So pause the video, complete this exercise in your notebooks, and then come back. Yes, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write meanings of difficult words given on book in your notebook. And here I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice, right? And what you are going to do, this is a very interesting paragraph. You will read it, and then you will complete the answers by putting just 1 word. Okay, this is your worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned to interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information, to answer simple short questions in a word or 2. So we achieved our SLO to interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information, to answer simple short questions in a word or 2. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll complete reading of this unit. So till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.